Today we're going to do Shaolin Qigong. These exercises are designed for increasing martial ability and strength. The first thing is we have to breathe correctly. So we do what is called 5 elements breathing. When I say breathe in, we don't want to go and hold the air in the chest. When we breathe in, we breathe from the mouth down to the lower abdomen. All your body processes follow the breath, but the breathing is not just about putting air in the lungs. All the functions of the internal organs are also doing this and this. So what we want to do is breathe through the nose and drop the breath past the chest. So you must relax your shoulders and sink the chest so that the breath drops down to the lower abdomen, below the navel. You can put your hands, one palm on top of the other, below the navel about 3 inches on the center of the body, and breathe in. The idea is to try press lightly against the abdomen and try to expand it with your breath. So you breathe in, and when the breath goes down to the abdomen, it will expand slightly and press against the hands. I'll show you from the side. Feet parallel, flex the ankle and knee and hip so the back is straight, then relax the chest. Now, breathe in. So the breath is not trapped in the upper body, it goes all the way down. The other thing is we do it 7 times in these Shaolin Qigong exercises. You must always use an odd number. So we use 3, 5, 7, 9. In this case 7. It's to do with what's known as Bu and She. So in Chinese medicine, when you're needling, you have Bu, which increases or tonifies, and you have She, which reduces, like taking air out of a balloon or a tire. So we have to pump it up or release it. So the same idea with the body. So from here, you breathe in and out. And 7 times. We're going to use that breathing method with these exercises. The exercises are designed to increase muscle and tendon strength and general overall health. The first thing we're going to do is hold your hands like this. So you're going to flex the hand. Have the arm in front of the chest and to the side of the body and here. So what we do here is we contract the muscle, not just tense it. Tense it will just be doing this. The whole body contracts as you breathe in. And we hold that posture for a few seconds and relax. Now we're going to do 7 times. 7 sets of 7, which comes to 49. And relax. I'll show it from the side. Breathe in. and the last one.